Disaster management MCQ. Hazards and disasters are mainly classified as option B, natural and human induced. Man-made disasters include option D, all of the above. A hazard is a situation where there is a option B, threats to property and lives and calamities. Option B. Next question. A hazard. Option D is the correct answer. All of the above. An effect that natural disaster can have people affected by an event in increase the option C, population growth. An example of natural disaster is option D, all of the above. An external natural phenomenon capable of causing disaster leading to loss of lives or damage to property is known as option A, natural hazards. A dash is a form of mass movement of earthy metals, option C. An important water contaminant is dash, option B, nitrogen oxide. Approximate range of earthquake that occurs each year is option B, thousands. Approximately dash percentage of Earth's surface is covered with water. Option D, 70. Area of cities that are subjected to significant natural hazards should be used for which of the following? Option C, parks and golf courses. Next question. Natural disaster losses in developing countries involve which of the following? Option B. Disaster is an event arising out of option A, result of hazard event. Next question. Disaster is an event arising out of option A, result of hazard event. Drought, unequal distribution of food, increased population, and flooding are causes of option D. Equator is a region of dash pressure, while poles are a region of dash pressure. Option B, low, high. Example of hazards are option A, chemical explosion. Flood cannot occur due to option D, biological disaster. From the following, which one of the natural hazards? Option D, all of the above. From where earthquake waves are generated? Option A, focus. High vulnerability and high hazards are associated with option C, none of the option C, high disaster risk. If the deficiency of a particular year rainfall exceeds 25% of normal is termed as option A, onset of drought. If the deficiency of particular year rainfall more than 50% of normal, it termed as option C, severe drought. In which date tsunami occurred in Indonesia? Option C, 26 December. Increase in carbon dioxide in atmosphere causes option A, rise in earth temperature. Dash is a downward movement of the wet soil along the slopes under the influence of gravity. Option D, solidification. Major tsunamis are generated by earthquake along with option B, convergent margins. Mention the major type of topological cyclone. Option C. Most tsunamis are produced by earthquake, which magnitude greater than option B, 7. Most natural disasters are which are the following? Option B, completely random. They involve processes that we cannot hope to understand. Next question. Movement of heavy vehicle on the unstable region creates option D, landslides. Non-living factor of ecosystem are called option A, abiotic components of the other of the total water percentage in the earth. Option A, 2.5% is the freshwater level that we can use. 2.5% freshwater level. One of the main reasons for farmers the common factors of wildfire hazards are option D, all of the above. The cycle of disaster consider following components. Option A, the direction of airflow is also affected by earth rotation. It is called option A. The lowlands in area are option B, low pressure. The highest volcanic mountain in world is option B. Landslide, surface of separation caused by option D, all of the above. The level of harm hazard is option D. The level of risk disaster depends on option D. The process to identify the probabilities of occurrence of a natural disaster of a given intensity at the specific location based on the analysis of natural causes. Option B. The term disaster is derived from the which of the following language? Option C. The cyclone is derived from option A. The typical example for a man-made disaster are all of the above. The type of energy that shakes the earth during the earthquake is produced by option C. Vibration radiates from focusing in all directions as option C. Warm air is then cold air. Option A. Heavier. Warm air heavier is heavier than the cold air. We can't use much water because don't have lot of it. Option A. Dot. Which is what is dot? Option A. No rainfall for a long continuous period. What is the name given to the wind blowing from sea to land? Option C. Sea breeze. Which are the most location for tsunami onslaughts? Option C. A bay with the nice sandy beach at the end. Which of the following disasters can triggered by earthquake? Option D. All of the above. Which of the following emits radioactive waste? Which of the following not a man-made disasters? Option C. Dot. Which of the following related to rain? Option C. Sulfur dioxide. Which of the following is seasonally related hazards? Option D. None of the above. Which of the following is true? Option B. A cyclone is called typhoon, Philippines and Japan. Disaster management deals with situations that occurs after disaster falls. Tsunami data are best in sea at 50. Option C. The first step in preparedness planning, determination of objectives. How many elements of disaster management are there? Option D. 6. To measure flood variability, dash is used widely. FFMI. Choose the following which does not come under impact of disaster. Option D. The manual flood peak in India are recorded in the month of. Option D. Uttarakhand lies in zone. Option C. 4 of earthquake areas. Which one of the following is odd? 1 out of keep you. Thanks for watching.